Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Aceflux means? Let's explore. Aceflux describes someone whose experience of asexuality fluctuates over time. This means that at different times, an Aceflux person might feel completely asexual, while at other times they might experience some degree of sexual attraction. Aceflux individuals may move between different points on the asexual spectrum, reflecting changes in their sexual feelings or desires. This identity acknowledges that sexual attraction is not always consistent and can vary based on circumstances, time, or emotional state. In essence, Aceflux is about the fluid nature of asexuality, where one's experience of sexual attraction can ebb and flow, allowing for a dynamic understanding of asexual identity. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.